Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Future FinTech, ticker FTFT. I got into this one a while back in regards to some other FinTech plays, some other blockchain plays. I can't honestly remember where I was reading the information. I'd have to look back at some of my videos. I did not buy this one just because Chris Sane said to buy it. So if you're watching this and thinking I bought it just because he said to buy it, that's false. I don't really follow his channel too close. I see his videos from time to time. They get lots of views. I don't really buy what he's into, so but that's besides the point. But this is Future FinTech, and I noticed it had been coming down. I knew this one was going to be kind of volatile. Ticker FTFT. As you can see, I only have 10 shares here at 580. I just threw some money at it and just kind of see what happens with it. But this is Future FinTech is a blockchain, e-commerce, and financial technology company. Company's operation include blockchain-based online shopping, mall platform, chain cloud mall, and etc. And feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself. Been around since 1998, $331 million market cap. Kind of small volume on it, almost 17 million. And I bought mine here at the 1st of April. Well, it looks like on the 6th, 590 and then 570 as it was going down. So that's what she said. But back to Future FinTech. They also entered into an amendment agreement to acquire Nice Talent Asset Management. And I thought this one would go up today with blockchain and everything, and the big IPO coming out tomorrow, Coinbase. I'll probably be trying to watch that one as much as I can. But I thought for sure this one would be going up. But maybe it presented a buying opportunity for that run-up. We'll see what it does tomorrow. But not that I give tax, legal, or trading advice. But you'd have to do your own due diligence. But hereinafter referred to as Future FinTech, is a leading blockchain e-commerce business and service provider, announced today, well, this is actually yesterday, that it's further to its February 26, 2021 release that has entered into an amendment to its share exchange agreement. The agreement to acquire 90% of the issued and outstanding shares of Nice Talent Asset Management Limited, a Hong Kong-based asset management company from Joy Rich NTAM, is a licensed under the Securities and Futures Commission. Current business partners include major international banks and its clients over the spectrum, from well-established institutional funds and high net worth retail customers. So, again, for you those out there that are holding this, this might be of some information to you. Feel free to pause and read over the rest of the information, or else you can go to PR Newswire and find this information is where I found that at. A little bit more about FinTech, an e-commerce company that provider for financial technology incorporated in Florida. Company's operation include blockchain-based online shopping mall platform, cloud or chain cloud mall, a cross-border e-commerce platform, NoNoGirl, and incubator for blockchain-based application projects. The company is also engaged in the development of blockchain-based e-commerce technology as well as financial technology. For more information, you can go to FTFTEX.com. And so, kind of a look here what this has done over the last 3 months. It's just kind of all over the place. If you got in at the end of January, it had a nice run up to 1017, but then again it's came down. So maybe it's coming down and maybe it's going to run up. We'll just have to wait and see. So it's just something that I'm throwing out there. There's a lot of volatility on this one, and I realized that when I got into it, but I didn't get into it too heavy. I just wanted to stick in the big toe or just the tip and kind of go from there and just kind of see how it performs. But so this is actually today traded at $4.90 at close of the session on Monday, April 12th. Made a downturn move of negative 5.95% on its previous day price. Looking at the stock, we see that the previous close was 521 and beta reads 2.03 with the day's range 487 to 536. So if you're trading this one and traded it right, you could make so that'd be about a 13.49 swing there. So the company was trailing a 12-month PE ratio of 0. In terms of a 52-week range, FTFT has a high of 11.29 and a low of 0.9. So quite a wide range in the volatility there. And like I said, I knew that getting into this one. I had kind of done some research on it, and I've covered a lot of crypto, blockchain, a lot of different things here lately. Tomorrow should be an interesting day for all those with Coinbase IPO coming out. And banks have some earnings going on, so it should be a very interesting day. So, but feel free to pause and go over the rest of this there for yourself. Again, you can find this on stockregister.com. So briefly compare FTFT to its peers. We find that the current price range of minus 5.95% and plus 308.33% over the last 12 months for FTFT competes that of Coca-Cola, which has seen a stock price of 0.32% in the last trading session and was 8.88% over the last 1 year. And then it goes over PepsiCo, Monster, and just kind of comparing it. We note the average 3-month trading volume was 15.51 million, while that preceding 10-day period stands at 31.01 million. Current shares outstanding are 65.29 million. And we'll see what the volume and everything on this one is going to do tomorrow. Why Future FinTech? Most recent report reveals some hints about its future. Like I said, it went down 5.95% from its latest close. 1-year high of $11.29. The company's stock price has collected minus 17.37% of loss in the last 5 trading sessions. And this kind of goes over if it's worth investing. Worth investing in FTFT. So there was one that declared it as a buy, while one rated it as overweight, and 0 as a hold, and 0 as a sell. And we'll see what tip ranks here shows in a moment. This kind of goes over the market performance. We've kind of already touched on that. The 50-day moving average trading at minus 19.31%. So like I said, this is a volatile one. Some cryptos can be volatile, but just finished watching, so not much information in there that's relevant. Over here to StockTwits. Oh, here's some people talking about Chris. Let's see what they say. Sell, newbies getting shook out to thanks to our pal Sane. Oh, he's getting some talk going on. People saying this Chinese company, remember 50% of Bitcoin is owned by Chinese people. We don't care about the nationality, we care about the money, think before speaking. That's my point exactly. Oh, Chris Insane, Shaquille O'Neal at the free throw line with stocks, Kwame Brown with the stocks. Uh-oh, I think Chris got some hate for this one, but like I said, I didn't buy it just because he talked about it. I don't even think I saw his video talking about it. I might have saw the headline or somebody put it in the comments or something like that, but so a couple days ago, Chris was like, oh yeah, I like the stock, blah is going to 10, blah blah, and now he's saying sell because it didn't performing well. Huh. So he must have made just a video saying to sell it. Must have pissed off some people. That's why I don't tell people to buy or sell or hold. You need to do your own due diligence. I don't know how he gets away with telling people to buy. There's not too many YouTubers out there that I see telling people to buy, because we can't. But he must be telling people to buy, or I don't know. And this is some more cryptos that I'm going to be looking into here. No bad news on this. Chris Sane said sell. Why listen to him? He has option and big money. Do not sell, buy more. Well, I'm not selling. I'm not going to sell at a loss. You see the volatility in it. It's got to come back up. Diamond hands. Don't sell, buy more. Squeeze Chris. There's a lot of people must be pissed off at him for, I mean, you don't buy a stock just because somebody talks about it. I just bring it to your attention, bring you the news, and just kind of go from there. And I've had some pretty good comments lately. People comment, like if I miss something or if there's some other news that comes out after I make the video. That's always cool to see, but I'm never going to tell you to buy a stock. Like I said, I don't know how he gets away with telling people that. I'm holding. If you all sell, he will get rich. Christine, oh, so he's probably got an option saying it's going to go down and telling everybody to sell. Don't let it be. I'll squeeze him. Oh, man. I know he's got a lot of followers. I know he's got a lot of hits on his videos, but, there's ticker, but talking about him, yeah, there's all kinds of talk about him. Either way to get rich, there's some things. Well, I didn't think we'd end up making a partial ICP. That's horrible. That's hilarious, though. God, I can't think of his name. Fake Christine is Christine. R. Kelly. There's his name. ICP. That's hilarious. I think that's talking about thrift shop. There's a lyric in there talking about smells like R. Kelly sheets or something. ICP. That's what that reminds me of. I shouldn't have brought that up, but that's hilarious. Damn, this person nailed it. Well, there you go. That's what the corona feels like. A bunch of sheep following. I shouldn't have said that either, but that's all that I have on FTFT. I'm not selling this one. I might see what it does tomorrow and buy some more, but I'll have to wait and see. But as you can see, I'm down a little bit over $1 on my 10 shares, but no biggie. So, like I said, I don't jump in totally and do 100 shares or something like that until I really know the company, but we'll see what this one does tomorrow. So if there's any other crypto plays you want me to take a look at, I'd be happy to look at those. And the IPO should be interesting tomorrow on Coinbase. And if you have any FinTech, Future FinTech, FTFT, put that in the comments. And if you bought the dip or waiting for more of a dip tomorrow, kind of wait and see what it does and go from there. So if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me. That really helps out the channel and promotes the videos and get them out to other people and helps the channel grow. And comments are always welcome. And hit that bell so you're notified of when the next videos come out. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.